Hi, Sarah Bannis here, Learn to Craft. I have to show you something super neat today. So I recently got not one, but shortly thereafter a second 3D printer, and I am loving them. So this is a vase that I just printed. It's a little small, I just made a little one, but you gotta check this out. How pretty is that? Ah, goodness, I'm loving it. I cannot wait to get some additional materials and start. I shouldn't say additional. I've already probably have like $300 worth of filament already. Filament is what you use to print these. It's so easy, and the machines are super inexpensive. The printer that I made this on was a $200 printer. Super easy to put together. It took me like 20 or 30 minutes. I'll link it in the video description. Highly, highly, highly recommend getting into this. It was so much fun. Oh, I can't wait to make something more.